Today our game plan is that we are going to do 2 projects. I'm going to work on one. He's going to work on the other. The brown truck's blinker is really floppy. And it's being...
See if your fingers open this. I can't get it open.
Well, it's the wrong way, first of all.
Oh.
Alright, that's going to be extremely loud.
I'm going to go grab your brown truck and pull it up right there and fix the blinkers.
He's doing the brown truck. I'm going to put in some lights, some marker lights that are smoked out in my daily. We got this a while back. Alright, we'll bring you along for it.
I'm going to grab your brown truck, bring it up here.
Okay. Show how floppy that thing is.
It's pretty floppy.
So all of...
Floppy.
There's like way too much. Basically what I'm doing is I'm taking these out, I'm putting these in. These will have the lights in them, but it does have the light and the reflectors in it. It just does not look pretty, especially that orange on the red. I don't like it.
Sorry. Give me 1 second.
First step to this is to pop off all these Christmas trees so that we can access this amber light here. Access is really fun. It's actually not that bad, in all honesty. But got one more right here. Awesome. It's always good when they fly. There. Alright. Now I've got to get inside of here. And I'm trying to decide if I want to take all of this off or if I can do it without taking all of it off. So I'm going to get under there and look to see if I can access it without removing this entire thing.
No, just a couple at the bottom.
Here's one. I think so.
Hey!
Oh, what?
Sir! Stop! You're gonna make me hurt myself. Sir, stop! I had a screw right here. Where'd it go?
Uh-oh, what's
Dang
going on?
it. Jason, stop.
What? Ma'am, you need to get your life together. Okay. Nothing super techy over here, but got the steering wheel off. And I was gonna pull this adapter off of the steering wheel, but man, look at the luck. The hole for the signal lights, the cruise control, and so on. Anyway, look at this. Fixed. Just got to tighten it right up. And it's good to go, man. Saved me some work. Anyway, gonna put it back together. And then probably go help her do the... whatever she's doing that thing. Alright, small project, but it's done. Doesn't flop around anymore. Pretty good. Alright. Brown truck is done.
Oh, way better. I'm gonna try it before I put it back in. Blinker won't work unless it's on this foot. Even with just accessory.
Yeah, see how only the top is lit up?
That looks way better. Very stealthy. Show you the difference. Is that one plugged in? I was gonna show the old one.
Oh. Yeah, it's only one LED at the top and the rest is reflector. Nobody likes reflector.
Nope. Alright. Gotta get screws in now. Look at how much stealthier that looks. That looks way better.
Nowhere. And I was screwed it in. It was pushing it out.
Mm-hmm.
What in the
World. That recording on the other side. That smells so good.
Oh, that's way better. Give me 1 second. I'll come over and hold that plastic up if you need me to.
I already got it in.
Did you? Strong, independent white woman.
Hardly, but... I said hardly, but I got that part in. Did your little stiffener thing come out?
Stiffener thing?
Does it say no?
What is it?
This.
What in the world is that?
It fell out.
Let me see. Where'd you get that from?
It was in, like, whenever I took the Christmas tree out of that, it fell down.
It's broke. You broke it. You broke it.
Well, what is it?
I don't know, but I didn't have to take it out. But whatever it was, you broke it. The tabs are...
Well, I see that the tabs are broke out.
I mean, it doesn't matter what it is now. It's broke.
Well, I didn't break it because I literally... It's not like anything cracked or broke while I was doing it.
Oh, I don't know. I'm just saying the tabs are broke on it.
Well,
It can't be too important. I'm sure it probably does something, but I imagine it's a stiffener for the
front clip. That's why I was trying to see what over there has, but I don't see it.
Toss it in the trunk if we ever need it. But I assume it's for
I'm gonna put it with the light.
oh, that's exactly what it is. It's just a brace that goes in there.
All this isn't clipped in, so once that's clipped in, then it doesn't.
It'll be fine. It's not a big deal. I'm sure it goes to something, but
I'm sure it does too.
but now, and it may have already been broke. Who knows?
Not great access with the little one there. But he's getting it. I was fighting it, tearing up my hands. He's obviously way faster. He does this all day, every day. More than me. I can get it. Did you already get the blinker? I don't know. You didn't have somebody over there tickling you.
I just had it before. I was so rudely interrupted. Come on, man. Oh, these 2 screws.
Under you.
The whoa.
Are those your good pants?
They was. Oh, wait, no, these aren't.
You sure?
No, not 100%.
They look just like your good pants.
Hey, you know what? I see why people mess with new cars now, and I'm not even mad. If this was that Belvedere, you know how many swap meets I would have had to go through on some lights or overpaying for them? You could just call 1-800-PARTS and just get anything in the mail now for new cars.
Yep. They're just not as fun.
No, but I totally see why young guys are messing with them. You ain't got to fight a bunch of old dudes for some crap that they quit making 50 years ago. They're not rusty, like stuff just fits and works. I'm not saying I agree with it, but I totally get it.
Mm-hmm.
World. Okay. Man, I don't know if the holes are tapped for these things.
I don't think they are, because mine's not going
Oh,
in.
yeah, totally not. Okay. I said, that's not screwed in, it wouldn't go.
Yeah, mine too.
We'll have to pull it out and screw it in and, okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. Actually, you know what?
What?
I don't know if these screws are going to be too big.
Yeah, they look like they are.
Yeah, they're way too big. I'm going to have to find some different screws. Okay, not a big deal.
Okay.
You know, I can't believe that these Chinese eBay parts don't fit perfect.
What? So what we're talking about is the part that secures the light into the car is not actually tapped out. So run in some screws that will
I'm putting some
self-tapping.
just some machine screws in, and they're a lot smaller, so won't split that plastic. A little stubby screwdriver. Okay, let's fire that baby up and see what it looks like.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, hey, pretty good.
We got the steering wheel done. Well, Jason got the steering
It
wheel
was
done.
a 5-minute job. It was no big deal.
Not the steering wheel, I'm sorry. Blinker.
Well, same thing. I had to take the steering wheel off, but it was pretty good. It was pretty easy.
And got the marker lights into the charger. Let me focus on the charger. So now it looks nice and stealthy and blacked out marker lights. Looking good.
Huh?
I said it's looking good.
Oh, yep.
We're gonna see what other kind of fun we can have on this beautiful day.
Oh, it's
But
my
for
hand.
now- And today's scrub to make her all shiny because you know she was dusty. These things are so cool. If you do this, get yourself a fast pass. A fast pass. There's a joke to that, but to really give you the true visual and why we wanted these, look how clean that is. It used to have just a single light up here at the top, but now just, I mean, it's freaking clean. Oh, so nice. That going down the road, way, way, way better. And of course, don't hate on the wheels. New ones are coming. Just money pending. Money pending, right?
40s on it.
Yeah.
42s.
Okay. Anyways, I guess this can be the end of the video. So if you haven't yet done it, make sure you subscribe and comment. And thanks for watching.